Alright, so we have 3 Plasma Storm blister packs to open today. And I think these are going to be my last Plasma Storms that I open up because I pretty much have all of them that I need. I'll probably do one of the older sets, maybe, next Wednesday. I'm only missing 1 or 2 of the ultra rares and that's it. Alright, so Clefairy, Lotad, Purrloin, Vanillite, Timburr, Durant, Vanillish, Maractus, Lotad Rev, Togekiss Holo. I have 3 of them now. Lotad, Purrloin, Vanillite, Timburr, Sewaddle, Durant, Lunatone, Vanillish, Skitty, Magnezone. All 2 holos, that's nice. Oh, these are a pain to open. Trubbish, Magnemite, Lotad, Swinub, Scraggy, Special Energy, Eviolite, Piloswine, Litwick, and Vespiquen. Alright, thanks for watching.